How to cancel your Honeytoon subscription. So first, in order for you to find out, so you may want to go to your available browser and type in Honeytoon. Make sure that you are going on the official website, so that says honeytoon.com, and click on that one. So once you're here, you will see your account. So if you want to log in your account, so just click on this upper right portion of the screen. But if you want to cancel your subscription, so you can scroll down and you can click this contact us. So there you will see on this dashboard that there are frequently asked questions. So for you to know how to cancel your subscription, you may want to click on this third option right here, which says premium membership and coins, and there you will see the question that answers on how to cancel the subscription. So you can click on this button, and there that it says you can cancel your subscription at any time by sending a request to our support email. So you can email this email address, and please ensure that the email you use to send the request matches the one that associated with your active subscription, so that it just basically says that you have to log in your account and make a request on this email for you to successfully cancel your Honeytoon subscription. So you want to make sure that your credentials are all correct, and if you registered using social media and your actual email is hidden, include the automatically generated email found in the account section of your profile. So providing this information will help them process your cancellation request more efficiently. So after that, you will receive an email to confirm your subscription cancellation, and that's it. So that answers your question, and that's basically how you cancel your Honeytoon subscription. So if you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.